And some other tapes I have, also unusual Excel video cassette. Excel has earned the trust of the professionals for reliability. Super RD, a super reliability definition, RD. Super reliability definition. Reliability definition. Wow. It's also in Japan. Excel video cassette. Recording time. Made in Japan. Soda Nikka Co. Ltd. Tokyo, Japan. Soda Nikka Co. Company. And inside we have, wow, yellow. Maybe it's so old, or maybe it's a fashion. GVC inside. GVC inside. We have GVC inside, yes. Okay. And others, we have Kamichi. Probably I show you Kamichi before. True color guaranteed. VHS palsekam. Oh, Kamichi. Manufactured for Sandra Lauren, import export in Canada. Sandra Lauren, SDL. Sandra Lauren. Kamichi, manufactured under the licensing of JVC Victor Company of Japan. Wow, Kamichi, Adachi Kamichi, Kuyachi. It's also GV. No, it's GVC inside and Tadaka. What is that? But this thing, it's very stylish. Design. Okay. Well, it's not so old. It's probably middle of 19th or something. I have. Okay, it's Russian there in for. Okay, and other we have Voxman, high grade Voxman. Have you ever saw a Voxman label? De Rated de la Value. It's probably French or Spanish. System Palsicam, he grade Voxman. Wow. Voxman. Wow. Nicosi in Montreal, Canada. In Canada, people talk French. Yes. De Retet de la Vie. It's written in French. As you see, first of all, we read it in French. Yes. Nos cassettes vidéos sont fabriqués selling. Oh, my French is terrible. Video cassette are manual for precise. Yes, it's first of all in French, like people in Canada talk in French, and then in English. Well, it's and in German. Video cassette written mitten. Yes, French, English, and German probably like that. French, English, and German. Okay. This is also French, English, and German. Canada. As you see, Canada. Canada. Okay, and what inside? Voxman. Voxman. Wow, it's so unusual. That inside Voxman. No, 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 no. Porno. Porno. Oh, JVC Dinarek. Dinarek, but very beautiful design. Dinarek. Very beautiful design. Dinarek Porno. Wow. It's written there, made in West Germany. West Germany, it's very old. West Germany, it's probably until 1989 when Berlin Wall was damaged. Oh. Oh. It's probably very old. I hope you like this scene, and see you in the next time in a new interesting video. Excel, Kamichi and Voxman in Canada. From Canada. Okay, goodbye friends. See you in the next time. Goodbye.